Hi there! Welcome back to the Best Reviews channel. It's time to get to know Proton Mail, an email service that lets you exchange emails without worrying about government or hacker surveillance. It works with end-to-end encryption and zero-access architecture and offers a wide variety of features that you just don't get with mainstream email clients. These include self-destructing emails, easy migration, password-protected emails, straightforward organizing options, stylish apps, and even access to other Proton products like Proton VPN. Stay with us as we look under the hood of Proton Mail and uncover its features, performance, pricing, and promotions. For more details about Proton Mail, visit our website at bestreviews.net and check out our full written review. Now, over to you, Saskia.
In addition to its browser version, Proton Mail has apps for desktop and mobile, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, and iOS. All the apps share a sleek and intuitive interface, ensuring easy navigation regardless of device. After registering, users can start emailing right away. Proton Mail offers great customization options to make the experience the best possible. You can adjust your inbox layout and message density, enable auto-unsubscribe, use undo send, and block email tracking. If you prefer email clients like Outlook and Apple Mail but would like to have the privacy offered by Proton Mail, that's also possible with the Proton Mail Bridge app, available for Windows, Linux, and macOS. The app integrates seamlessly with these email clients using IMAP and SMTP to send and receive emails while maintaining Proton Mail's encryption. The Bridge app runs in the background, automatically encrypting and decrypting messages, offering an additional layer of security without disrupting your usual workflow. Proton's primary focus is privacy and security, and Proton Mail is no different. By default, emails between Proton Mail users are automatically encrypted. If you're emailing someone that doesn't use Proton Mail, you can attach your public key to the email, enabling PGP encryption. This allows recipients using PGP-compatible email services to receive and send encrypted replies, ensuring that only the intended recipient can read the message. Those using non-PGP services can take advantage of Proton Mail's password-protected emails. In this case, you send the recipient a link to the message, which they can access after entering a password, so they can reply securely without being registered with Proton Mail. To further protect email communications, Proton Mail includes advanced security features such as two-factor authentication, email aliases, phishing and spam protection, and dark web monitoring. Plus, with its primary data center located in Sweden, known for its strict no-logs policy, Proton Mail ensures that no user data is shared with authorities in less secure countries. Proton Mail prioritizes security and privacy without sacrificing convenience. It provides organizational tools such as folders, labels, and custom filters to help users manage their emails more effectively. Additionally, Proton Mail has an autoresponder, contact groups, and a search bar. However, due to its encrypted nature, search functionality is limited to email address and subject lines, which may be a drawback for some users since the email subjects themselves are not encrypted. Still, this is a minor detail compared to other features like email scheduling or email expiration, which allows you to send self-destructing emails with a customized expiration time. All this in addition to red receipts that let you track when your emails are open. Another commendable feature is the Easy Switch. It lets you migrate to Proton Mail from other email services, allowing you to select what to import before encrypting it all in the transfer process. Furthermore, paid subscribers get access to Proton Calendar, allowing users to create and manage encrypted event invitations, all while ensuring full privacy. The company offers several Proton Mail subscription plans with different contract lengths, including a free plan that's perfect for getting started with encrypted email. The free version includes 1 GB of storage, one email address, and a few limitations on emails, folders, and labels. Unfortunately, this version doesn't include access to the desktop app. For those seeking more features, the Plus paid plan includes a 20% discount and contains 15 GB of storage, up to 10 email addresses, unlimited messages, and even a 14-day free trial of Proton Scribe, the company's AI writing assistant. For an even more comprehensive experience, the unlimited plan provides 500 GB of storage, 15 email addresses, and access to Proton's full suite of products including Proton Pass, Proton Drive, Proton VPN, and Proton Scribe. Finally, the family plan allows you to share all the features of the unlimited plan and more with up to 6 users, making it an ideal option for households. In addition to this, Proton Mail offers a 30-day money-back guarantee and supports various payment methods. ProtonMail offers several resources to get help, including a blog, video tutorials, user guides, and an extensive FAQ section. To get in contact with Proton's agent directly, it's best to use the contact form available on the website and apps. Although paid subscribers are entitled to customer support priority, we still receive a reply within an hour as a free user. But of course, reply times for free users may vary depending on inquiry volume and the time of the day. Proton also has a strong presence with several social media accounts, including Instagram, X, Facebook, and YouTube, and even active communities on Reddit and Discord for user engagement.
ProtonMail stands out for its reliable and secure email service. It offers exceptional features that keep your communications private and secure, with minor drawbacks that aren't deal breakers. ProtonMail has sleek and intuitive applications for the most popular operating systems, featuring PGP encrypted and password-protected emails, an undo send option, email tracking blockers, self-destructing emails, and email aliases. Additionally, it includes Proton Calendar, and its easy switch feature simplifies the migration process for users transitioning to ProtonMail. However, some people may be concerned that email subjects are not encrypted or think twice due to the free version not including access to desktop apps. We find ProtonMail best suited to anyone looking for a reliable, private, secure, and ad-free email experience. This shouldn't come as a surprise since Proton products are very strong when it comes to privacy transparency. If you would like to know even more about ProtonMail, check out our review, linked in the description below. Thanks, and see you in the next one!
Thanks for watching our video review. If you enjoyed it, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment down below if you have any questions. For more reviews and other videos, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you'll be notified of future videos. See you next time!